Okay, so this is my very first Chef's Plate meal that I'll be trying today. It's California beef taco bowl. So the meat and cheeses come in a separate package. This is just all of the vegetables and the chips and the green onions. They are in good shape. They're not rotted or anything like that. It comes with tomato base, and it comes with chipotle chili powder. Comes with cumin spice blend. This one is tomato base, more sauce. Comes with these, and they're in great condition actually. And comes with an avocado, which is nice. It's like not too soft and not too hard. Comes with a lime and a small thing of rice. Just pretty small for 2 people, but we'll see how it goes. And then this is the ground beef. It also comes with sour cream, so just 1 second. Also comes with sour cream. It's supposed to be 90 grams. I don't think I'm missing anything. Doesn't appear to be any cheese that comes with this. That's a little strange for like being a taco bowl, but I guess we'll see how it goes.